We some underground kings, king, real, yeah, king. Said we some underground kings, king. We some underground.
On YouTube, it's your boy Kxng, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I got a couple different pickups for you. Some of the stuff I've already unboxed, so we're just gonna go over that real quick, and then our newest unboxing. So this I actually just got in a little bit ago. This is the Heavyweights tee from this year's NBA Finals. This time I got a size large. Last time I got a medium, but I think the large fits a lot better than the mediums do. You can see the graphics on the shirt. The top says "We are the champions." You got Curry and the Larry O'Brien trophy in the back. Over on the side, you got Draymond Green, Andrew Wiggins, and looks like Jordan Poole. Curry, of course, shooting. Klay Thompson shooting. And then Dub Nation down here in that old school gold and blue colorway. But like I said, it's a really cool shirt. It was either $50 or $55 from Heavyweight, so waiting to see what their next drop is going to be. So what you want to look at next? All right, so next up are these. These are the Nike Infinity React Flyknit 3s. I had a pair of Nike Roshe 1s back in the day that were multicolored Flyknit, kind of like these. And once I saw these, I was thinking about them for maybe like 2 weeks. And then we went to the Harajuku Nike store. They had them in person for sale. So there was no way I couldn't pick up a pair. And I also got my wife a pair. And we wear them pretty often and match. They're super comfortable. I'll say they're not as comfortable as the Invincible runs, but they're still pretty comfortable, lightweight shoe. So definitely, if you get a chance, try to pick this pair up. Go right there. You hear those? All right, so these are the Kxng Platinum Devastators, or the Pillar Destroyer 2s. I've been trying to get these for a while. I think they came out maybe 9-10 months ago. I wasn't able to get them then, but they did another drop for their Discord, which I will put the link to below, for this colorway, and the cement colorway is just the black version. Me, I'm more of a white shoe guy, so I had to grab these. One thing I will say about the Devastators compared to the Pillar Destroyers is you will have to size down. So like me, I typically wear an 11.5, 11, which translates to a 44. So all of my Pillar Destroyer highs are a 44. But as you can see here on these, I got a size 43. So I did have to size down one whole size, but these fit perfectly. They came with another pair of cream laces and a pair of red laces as well, and that Kxng dust bag that you always get. So again, Kxng Platinum Devastators. Next, we have the Kxng Devastators. Again, this is going to be the pop-up colorway exclusive. These were released in LA only at their pop-up that they did. Again, these were sold there, hard to get, but again, Kxng came through in the Discord and posted a link for a quick strike for the people that weren't able to get them. So I was glad I was able to get a pair. So just as a comparison, these are your pop-ups. These are called the Glaciers. And then this is your Platinum. So the two colorways of the Devastators. So leave a comment below. Let me know which one you like better. Me personally, I'm feeling this pair a little bit more. I love the black leather here, the little hits, and then that clean elephant print there on the back. And you got your Kxng stamp. Again, had to size down in these to a size 43 for the right fit, but same as the other ones, they fit perfectly. So what y'all guys think? Glacier, Kxng, Pillar Devastator. We get to the unboxing. You mocking me, girl? So this pair I've been waiting on for a while as well. So Kxng released the Prisms, and I forgot what the orange pair were called, but essentially they look like the Fragment Jordan 1s and the Shattered Backboard Jordan 1s. Me, I'm not really an orange person, so of course I got the Prism Blues, and these are the high tops. So these are the Pillar Destroyers, and I got these in a size 44, so my normal size. So you get that traditional white and gold Kxng box. Here on the front, for the people that haven't read it before, a certain nonchalant so as to conceal all art and make whatever one does or say appear to be without effort and almost without any thought about it. So as soon as you open up the box, you get hit with 2 laces, cream colored and this lighter kind of faded blue. And then, as always, your Kxng dust bag in that black and gold. Now the shoe. This is my first time having these in hand. I've been asking them to release these for several months since they've done IG lives. They've always had them in the background of the video. And it's just a colorway I've always wanted. So, what do you guys think? Kxng Pillar Destroyer Highs Prism colorway. Got your blue sole. Again, your black leather hits. Nylon tongue with your black leather Kxng stamp. Again, size 44 for my normal size. And they come with the white laces already tied on them. So let's go ahead and try some of these shoes on feet for y'all. The Heavyweights tee, again, size large. See the Dove Nation full body front print. There is no graphic on the back, but it does have a nice fade to it. Loose around the arms, but it's not too wide, not a boxy tee. It's more tapered on the sides. Nice length to it, but again, size large, Heavyweights. What do you guys think? Hope y'all enjoyed this video today. A couple of the pickups that I got recently. Again, Kxng Devastators Platinum, Kxng Devastators Glacier, and Kxng Pillar High Destroyer Prisms. And then, of course, the Heavyweights Championship tee. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. It's King.